Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 5th. We are looking at window traders, market profile of the ES and NQ. We have new monthly highs in the overnight here, as you can see, pre-market ES and NQ. Not righty at this point. Very wide overnight pop, 20 wide for righty. Remember, they had a double distribution day yesterday. They are very close from their all-time highs. ES and NQ had wide point of controls. They also have, in the regular trade now, they also have wide ones here in the overnight and pre-market. Now, 10 o'clock is PCE. So first off, I'm hoping that we get an opportunity to get one of the overnights prior to that, one of our staple plays. Because if it doesn't happen in the first half hour, then the odds at 10 o'clock of losing two staple plays grow tremendously, and that would be getting an overnight and one-time framing. So potentially, I'm hoping that we get it prior till 10. Now, the other thing is this. The dailies are up, okay, on ES and NQ. The weeklies are balanced. There's no way you're going to take out a weekly balance no matter what happens today, okay, on the downside. But there's a very good potential to take out the weekly balance to the upside. I think this is going to be more of a driver than the Fed come Wednesday. With the emotional trading and that nature. Obviously, as you can see how strong Russell has been recently, they firmly expect that rate cut. The whole market does. This quote-unquote important number, and they're all bullshit. If it comes out where it doesn't upset anything, I think we break through the balance high. If there's any hint at all that the odds of a rate cut go down, then you can fail here at the balance high on the weeklies and push down. But you're not going to get the balance low on the weekly. Again, best advice, join this trading room at 9:15. So we're breaking it all down, what's happening, and then be in the room when things really start to happen at 10 o'clock. I'm not here on Monday, so there'll be no morning or afternoon video. Tonight, we will recap all of these charts and see where we stand after the first week in December. So here's your weekly on ES. So why am I saying we won't get the balance low? Well, right now, the balance low in SPY is 650.85. That would mean going down $30 today. Okay? I don't think we're going down 5% today. Hey, look, it's possible, but the odds don't suggest it. That would, in fact, it would mean they're thinking about a rate, raising rates rather than cutting them. However, the balance high, okay, is right here, in SPY 685.80, which is basically where we're trading. Okay, so again, I could see this market breaking out of balance to the upside if the number keeps people calm. Here's your daily. It's been a very, very tight range. Even though I'm calling the daily up, we still have this gap here, which is kind of your main focus. If you did have a big push down, and it would have to be a big push down, but it's $8. We've seen $8 moves. If they were to come down, form a new balance on the daily, close the gap, and then we see what would happen there. Again, that's all potential if the market was to come in. To the upside, again, it would be balance high on the weekly and potentially balance high on the monthly to all-time highs. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.